Hi kids, welcome to our fun learning video. Today we are going to learn two-letter words. These small words are easy to remember and super important for reading. Let's get started. The first word is am. Here is an example. I am happy. Am is used when you're talking about yourself. Can you say it with me? I am happy. Great job. The next word is an. Here is an example. I can see an apple. An comes before words that start with a vowel, like apple. Let's say it together, an apple. The word is at. Here is an example. I am at the park. At tells us where something is. Can you think of where you are? Let's say it together, at the park. Here is by. An example is, I am standing by the tree. By tells us you're next to something. Can you think of something near you? Let's say it, by the tree. Next is do. Here is an example. I do my homework. Do is used when you're doing something. Let's say it, I do my homework. What do you do? The word is go. Here is an example. I go to school. Go means to move from one place to another. Can you say it with me? I go to school. The word is he. Here is an example. He is playing with a ball. He is used when talking about a boy or a man. Can you say it with me? He is playing. Now the word is in. Here is an example. The cat is in the box. In means something is inside. Can you think of something that's in a box? Let's say it, in the box. The word is it. Here is an example. It is a ball. It is used when talking about an object. Can you say it with me? It is a ball. The word is no. Here is an example. No, I don't want it. No means refusing something. Let's say it together. No, I don't want it. The word is on. Here is an example. The book is on the table. On tells us something is resting above. Can you think of something on a table? Let's say it, on the table. The word is up. Here is an example. The kite is up in the sky. Up shows something is higher. Let's say it, up in the sky. Next we have me. Here is an example. This toy is for me. Me is used when talking about yourself as the object. Let's say it together, for me. The word is my. Here is an example. This is my book. My shows ownership. Can you think of something that's yours? Let's say it, my book. The word is if. Here's an example. If it rains, we will stay inside. If shows a condition or something that might happen. Let's say it together, if it rains. The word is. Here is an example. The sky is blue. Is helps describe something. Let's say it together. The sky is blue. Now the word is of. Here is an example. This is a cup of tea. Of shows belonging. Let's say it together, a cup of tea. The word is or. Here is an example. Do you want milk or juice? Or gives us a choice. Can you think of two things to choose from? Let's say it together, milk or juice. The word is so. Here is an example. I was tired, so I took a nap. So shows a reason or result. Let's say it, so I took a nap. The word is to. Here is an example. I am going to the park. To shows direction. Can you think of where you might go? Let's say it together, to the park. The word is we. Here is an example. We are playing together. We is used when talking about a group, including yourself. Let's say it, we are playing. The word is us. Here is an example. This is a gift for us. Us means talking about yourself and others. Let's say it together, for us. Next we have as. Here is an example. She is as tall as her brother. As shows us a comparison. Let's say it together, as tall as. You're doing great. The word is be. Here is an example. I want to be a doctor. Be talks about becoming something. What do you want to be? Let's say it together, be a doctor. Great job, everyone! Now you know so many two-letter words. Keep practicing, and you'll be a reading superstar in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.